everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make super delicious Sri Lankan style deviled chicken. This is very similar to my deviled fish recipe and make sure to check that out. Here I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into small chunks because it cooks faster. First marinate the chicken. I'm going to add freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of paprika, some salt, squeeze some lemon juice or you can add lime juice, 1 egg. Mix everything so that all of the chicken is coated with the spices, and I'm going to leave this to marinate for a few hours, but it's fine to cook straight away. Here I got onions and bell peppers cut into medium chunks, white and red onions, and I got peppers, green, yellow and red and spring onion, and if you wanted you can add fresh chilies. Here finely crushed 3 cloves of garlic and ginger. I got cherry tomatoes cut into half. You can use any types of tomatoes. Now I am going to show you how to make the sauce. Half cup chicken stock, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce. If you wanted you can add more, 1 teaspoon of honey and 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I'll mix all that together. Then set it aside. In here I got marinate chicken. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix all that together. Now ready to fry. Just make sure preheat the oil before adding the chicken. When you are frying, don't overcrowd the pot. Put in a few pieces at a time. Now gently fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked through. Now remove them, place them on a paper towel, drain off the excess oil. And now I am going to add the second batch. Now it's completely done. Heat the pan. I'm going to add coconut oil, about 1 tablespoon. Or you can use any oil, but this oil gives more flavor. First I'm going to add ginger garlic. Just fry this about 30 seconds. Now onion. Medium heat, cook for about 3 minutes. Now bell peppers. Mix them all and cook for about 2 minutes. Return the cooked chicken back to the pan and tomatoes. Stir about 2 minutes or just until the chicken is warmed through. Give the sauce a quick stir before adding it to the pan. Simmer the sauce for another 3 to 4 minutes. Stir frequently until the sauce has thickened. Add spring onions. Give it a taste at this point and you can add more salt or pepper if needed. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. If you wanted, you can add chili flakes, then you can double the heat. Give a nice little shake, turn off the heat, ready to serve. This recipe gives you a mild spicy chicken. Now I'm going to taste it and a little bit of everything. Crispy tender with lots of flavor. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.